Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you that how you can get AWS certified certificate in 3 hours. It's very great thought that you will get AWS certified in 3 hours. So this is the awesome day online conference. You can see here, this is learn AWS fundamental in 3 hours. This is the highlights that you have. You can get 5 foundational modules. You will get video tutorials, live question and answer session as well, and certificate of attendance as well. And this is AWS certified certificate. And this is the conference time in India and New Zealand. You can click on India and Sri Lanka as well for your timing. So this is the timing. So you have to click on this India and Sri Lanka, and this will load up, and you will get the time of India and Sri Lanka as well. So these are the agenda. You can see here introduction to AWS and introduction to AWS services, compute, storage, databases. Here you can see here services of AWS, networking and security, and innovations with AWS. In closing remarks, course summary. Here is the deal as well. Here you can see here. So what you have to do, you have to click on this register now button, and this course link will be in the description below. You have to attend this, and after that what you will do I will show you in this video. So here you can see here you have to accept all, and you have to put your first name, last name, country or region, city, postal code, phone, mobile phone, and my interests for personal business, and job title. In job title you can add your student or everything, your work, and in company name you can add your school or university or college name. In the industry you have to select your industry, whether it's education and electronic or everything like that. And a level of AWS usage, you have to select your usage and select your company size and select your use case as well. Use case will be here. You can see here what are you using AWS for. So you can see here's the option as well, and you have to receive information of AWS free digital training, and you have to set up your username, password and everything, and you will be registered. You have to connect with AWS, and I'm not a robot, and click on this register button, and you will get an email, and this email you will receive a link to this event that will be online on 29 September. So all this for the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.